Hello guys, today I'm going to give the demonstration orientations regarding our LMS system, regarding our website, vintechedu.com. Right guys, how you have to access this site. Okay, I hope all of you have made the username and password. Okay, if you did not make, didn't make, we will send you the separate video. What are the steps to log in into the to generate your username and password? Okay, but here in this lecture, what is inside the LMS and how you have to use it, I'm going to tell. Right guys, so first of all, you have to open this website, vintechedu.com. You have to write vintechedu.com in your Internet Explorer, and you will see this website. Okay guys, then fathers and sisters, you have to click on student login. See on top of the screen, right side top of the screen, student login. You click here, student login. The moment you click on student login, this window will come, this window. So here you have to type the username and password which you generated, right? For example, I'm going to write my username and password which I generated. Okay, I have entered the username and password. Then I will click on sign in button. Okay, so the moment I will click on the sign in button, this window would come. This window. Look at this. On the left hand side, one is my account tab. Under the my account, you will see the online study material. Are you looking, all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to click on online study material. The moment you will click on online study material, another window would come. Okay, this window is regarding online MEd study material according to the Punjabi University Patiala. Okay guys, I have generated, I have recorded, I have all the videos, I have put all the videos and material in this website. Okay, you can get access of this. So here there are two sections. One is semester 1, semester 2, semester 3 and semester 4. This one, and on the left hand side there is a quick links, latest updates, syllabus, last year paper, lesson plan, reference book, communication skills and personality development, about CTET, PTET and FAQs. Okay, so first I just want to tell you about online study material regarding semester first. I'm going to click on semester 1. Okay, the moment I will click on semester 1, what would happen? Your your subjects, your papers, what are the material in the semester 1 would open, right? So I'm click on the semester 1. Okay, tell me how many papers are semester 1?
4 paper.
4 papers, na? Huh? The name of first paper is philosophy of education. Second is psychology of learning and development. Third is educational studies, and fourth is introductions to educational research. Right, this is our 4 paper. 4 paper would come in the exam in the month of December or January. Okay, we are going to appear. So now we are discussing the paper 1, Hana? So when you click on the paper 1, I'm going to click on the chapter 1 या paper 1. The moment I will click on the paper 1, the syllabus of paper 1 would open. Look at this, right? Philosophy of education paper 1. So this is the syllabus of paper 1. Okay, we see how many papers in syllabus 1. There are 13 chapters in the in the first book, first paper, philosophy of education, right? So first topic is philosophy of education. Okay, next notes. If you want to see the notes, you have to click on this notes button. And if you want to see the video of philosophy of education, then you have to click on video button, right? Third is regarding the MCQs. Okay, So we are, you know, working on MCQs also. Abhi just consider these two options, notes and videos. Okay. So philosophy of education, if you want to see the notes of philosophy of education, then you have to click on view. View पे जैसे click किया, ये देखिए philosophy of education, okay, it would come. If you click on read more, तो ये notes of philosophy of education has opened, right?
Yes.
This is the notes of philosophy of education. Okay. Okay, I go back, again back. Now, if you want to see the video of philosophy of education, then you have to click on video part. Click on the video part. Okay. So how many videos in this section? There are 2 videos. Okay. So देखो second one देखो, see at the second one. We started the class on 19 September, है ना, last month. Now, there is a disturbance actually, na, it is coming, you know, backside. You can, you know, mute or you can mute the your audio. So see this, there is a disturbance is coming. Okay, you can mute your audio, all of you. ये देखिए, see this video, 19th, we started the class on 19th. When you click on open video, okay, the video would open. All right, guys, this is a video, huh? Video would open. Okay, this we finished in the last month, na, on 19th. Okay, so whatever the classes, every Sunday I'm taking the classes. Okay, the video study material I'm putting on this website. So it is my request to all of you, generate your username and password to all of you, and, you know, take the benefit of this website, because I have given each and everything on this website. Whenever you will get time, so you can get from here, right? So again I go back. Okay, then uske baad last topic we finished on, the last topic on third, now we finished on pragmatism. Okay, this one. Yeah. You want to see the pragmatism notes, you have to click on view. ये देखो on date आ गया. Okay, date would come on 3rd 10th 2021, notes of topic pragmatism. You click on this and you will get the notes of pragmatism. This is a pragmatism notes. Right? Well, after the class, I'm sending on your WhatsApp number also, but side by side, I'm putting on this website also. It is a very easy one. You can, you know, once you would be familiar now, one time, so easily you can operate it and you can get the benefit of this, because there are a lot of things. Now, if you want to see the video of pragmatism, so you can click on this part, video part. You click on video, view, ye dekhiye, on date 3rd, you know, video on topic pragmatism has come. Click on open video, and, you know, the video of pragmatism would start. Right, guys? So I go back again, I go back. So today we will discuss this one, naturalism. Okay, so the moment I will finish my topic naturalism, okay, I'll put on this section notes. Click on this. There is no notes now, because today I have to teach you about the naturalism. Okay, after finishing the topic, I will put the notes here. Similarly on the video part, right? So this is about your paper 1 and chapter, you know, paper 2. This is your paper 2, paper 3 and paper 4. Okay, so now we are moving on the paper 1. Okay, This is about, you know, first part. I again go back and on semester, right? Okay, see at this. Okay, right? Okay, now you know one portion has finished, so I just explain you the, you know, second portion. On the left hand side there is a quick links. Okay, under a quick links you will see the, you know, some of the option, latest updates, B.Ed, M.Ed, syllabus, etc, etc, etc. So if you have to click on latest update, okay, abhi there is no latest update. Okay, from today I'll, you know, start, so that because I was waiting, you know, many they are logging into this. Okay, and if you want to see the syllabus, click on the syllabus part. Yes, syllabus has uploaded. Ye dekho, there is a syllabus. There is a complete syllabus. If you want to see the syllabus, click on view. The moment you will click on the view, ye dekho, syllabus has opened. Semester 1 philosophy of education. Ye 4 pages hain syllabus ke. There are 4 pages. Okay. If you want to take print out, you can take the print out. Okay. Ye philosophy of education. Okay. This one we have finished. Okay. And you know, uske baad Western School of Philosophy, idealism, we finished. This is the pragmatism we finished. Today we will finish the naturalism, right? So only the two ism was pending, existentialism and Marxism. We will finish in the next, you know, next week. And after that, Indian School of Philosophy, right? Then we will move to the semester's, you know, second paper, psychology of learning and development. Okay, under this, we will study educational psychology, human development, learning, individual difference, personality, motivation, mental health, conflict. Then we will discuss third paper, educational study. It is a very easy one, right? It is all about, you know, CBSE. It is all about NCERT, UGC, right? Diet, Right to Education Act kya hota hai? What is the Right to Education Act? What is a SSA? What is a Ramsa? Okay. And next, after that, we will discuss the fourth paper, Introductions to Educational Research and Statistics. Okay, this is a new for all of you. Okay, but it is a very easy one. Okay, educational research kya hai, sampling kya hai, then uske baad little about the stat. Okay, we will finish. Don't worry, we have, you know, lot of time. So syllabus. Now the third option is last year paper. If you want to see the last year paper, click on last year paper. Okay. So last year, kaun sa tha son? Which was the year last year? 2022, na? Because you are the student of 21-23. Your batch is 21 and 23. The last year was 2022. So once you click on 2022, you will see the, you know, papers of, you know, first semester. Click on the first semester. Here, there are 4 papers, na? 4 papers. You have to appear these 4 papers. Already, you know, last batch has appeared, you know, result has out. They have got a very good marks. So if you want to see the papers, last year paper, so first you want to see the philosophy of education. So click on view. This is the last year paper, philosophy of education. Okay. I increase the size. Okay. This is the philosophy of education, right? There would be 3 sections. 3 sections would come. Section A, section B, and section C. Right? Section A or B mein, there would be 4 questions. Out of a 4, you have to attempt 2. Out of a 4, again in the B section, you have to attempt 2. And C sections mein, there would be a 10 short answer of 3 marks each. Right? So ye dekhiye section A mein, right? Discuss nature and functions of philosophy of education. Okay, we have finished this one. Describe the role of education in inculcations of values. Okay, yeah, this we have to do abhi little bit. Okay, और ये sections B आ गया. ये देखिए 6 question. Explain main features of naturalism. Today we will finish naturalism. Okay, guys. So you have to focus on little bit about the syllabus, and you have to complete last year paper. And you know, I'm dealing with this university from last 15 years. Maximum 90-95% last year paper repeats. Okay, but in a most likely the same question would come. Okay, but something, okay, he will ask, define the naturalism philosophy of education. Okay, so then what you have to write, okay, this is the most important thing na. Okay, what type of a questions would come, the same question would come, लेकिन some उसको मोल्ड करके कई बार डाल देता है एग्जामिनर. ओके, ये देखिए पेपर 1 आ गया हमारा, राइट. सिमिलरली ये पेपर 2 है, साइकोलॉजी ऑफ लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. So you can, you know, see by yourself. This is a, you know, paper 2 में आ गया हमें explain meaning, step, merits and demerits of experimental method. Bruner theory क्या है cognitive development की? It is very easy. Gane hierarchy of system. Explain the concept and causes of inter and intra individual differences. It is a very easy one. You all have done in B.Ed also, right? So this is all about the your paper. Okay, you can access from here. Again is lesson plan. Lesson plan, there is no use of a lesson plan because you know, it was in the B.Ed process. If you know, if there is a, you know, theory to that, then I can put on here also, but in the first semester there is no lesson plan. Okay, yeah, this is a reference book. You can take the help of these reference books also if you want. Okay, otherwise my notes are sufficient. Okay, so these are communication skills and personality development. In future, I'm, you know, thinking I should, you know, put some of the videos that should be related with communication skills and development. Okay, for those, otherwise aapko, you all have, you know, good communications level. And this is about CTET or PTET. Okay, some are interested to give the exams of CTET and PTET, so I can put here also. But after 1 year you would be eligible, but you have already done the B.Ed, you are eligible. Okay, some are interested for these exams also, right? I again back to the semester 1, right guys? So I request to all of you, this is a very important portal. This is a very good portal. You can find the videos on this portal, on this website. You can find your notes of this website, latest updates. You every you know, after 1 day even you can open this site. You can see that what is the latest updates of B.Ed or M.Ed, what is going on. Okay, we will put here. Okay, you want to see the syllabus, each and everything is here. Okay, and you know, whatever the class is, I'm taking the classes every Sunday. After the class, I put the video and notes PDF files on this portal also. ठीक हो गया? So I request to all of you, okay, develop your login username and password, create your username and password. Okay, we will send you another video how to create username and password. If you have created the username and password, you can take the benefit of this, okay, by entering your username and password, right? So I'm going to log out. Thank you so much.